In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine vector shapes using Boolean operations. Whether you're working on a complex design project or simply exploring new techniques, learning how to effectively merge vector shapes can streamline your workflow and open up new possibilities in your creative toolbox. Let's start by drawing or placing the vector shapes that you'd like to combine. You have a couple of options here. You can use the shape tools to create standard shapes like circles, rectangles, or stars. Alternatively, if your designs are more custom or intricate, the pen tool offers the flexibility to draw free-form shapes to your liking. As you create or import these shapes, take a moment to consider their placement on the canvas. This will save you some time when we discuss layer arrangement. Once your shapes are in place on your canvas, it's crucial to organize them properly in your Layers panel. Pay attention particularly to the order of these layers, as this can have a significant impact on your final result, especially if you intend to use the subtract operation. Generally, the shape that's on top in the Layers panel will subtract from any shapes beneath it. So, spend a moment ensuring everything is aligned the way you envision it before moving forward. This could save you time and offer greater precision in your designs. Now that your layers are organized, select all the shapes you wish to combine. You can do this by holding down the Shift key and clicking each shape individually, or if they're aligned consecutively, click and drag over them to select them all at once. With your shapes selected, direct your attention to the top toolbar, where you'll find options for different Boolean operations. Depending on the outcome you desire, you can choose different operations like add, subtract, intersect, or exclude. Each of these operations has unique effects. Add will merge your selected shapes into a single shape. Subtract removes the shape on top from those underneath it. Intersect keeps only the overlapping parts, and exclude removes the intersecting areas. Take a moment to experiment with these to become comfortable and see which suits your project best. Once you've applied the Boolean operation, you'll notice that your shapes have combined as you specified. If you want these to become a single, unified shape that you can edit permanently in future sessions, consider converting it to curves. This option solidifies your design in its combined state. Keep in mind that converting to curves will make future adjustments to the paths a bit more advanced, but provides you the liberty to tweak anchor points as needed. And there you have it, a straightforward process to combine vector shapes using Boolean operations. Practice these steps and you'll soon find them to be a vital part of your design workflow.